Is software testing a dying career? Who can really do it? Let's set the record straight. Hi everyone. Today, I want to talk about a topic I often hear from job seekers and students. Is software testing a dying career? Or, only tech people can do software testing? These myths couldn't be further from the truth, and I'm here to break them down with facts and examples. Step 1. Understanding the role software testing is about ensuring the quality and reliability of software products. It's not just about finding bugs, testers are vital for delivering a smooth user experience and successful business outcomes. Testing roles range from manual testers to automation engineers and specialized car analysts. Step 2. The growing demand. The software testing market is expanding rapidly, projected to grow at over 7% annually through 2030 with market size hitting billions globally. The rise in mobile apps, IoT, AI, and cloud computing means companies need skilled testers more than ever. Step 3. Anyone can start. You don't need to be a hardcore coder to enter software testing. Manual testing roles focus on analytical thinking, attention to detail, and understanding user behavior. Automation testing does require some coding, but beginners can learn progressively through training and projects. Step 4. Career growth and salary. With T-5 years of experience, testers can become leads, architects, or managers with salaries rising significantly, from 3 rupees 6 lakh for freshers to 20 lakh rupees jod for senior roles. The career path is rich with opportunities for specialization like security testing, performance testing, and automation. Step 5. Real-world example. Consider an app. Without testers, it could crash or leak data, hurting users and the company's reputation. Testers ensure the app works flawlessly on all devices, making them critical players in tech innovation. So, don't be disheartened by myths. Software testing is a vibrant and growing career path open to anyone willing to learn and grow. With the right skills and mindset, it offers strong job security and rewarding growth. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more career insights.